think the key thing is to get the natural light as much as possible. That makes the food look very sharp and clear, look yummy. So that's what I'm doing right by the window. And the picture that I just took turned out pretty nice. Okay, so now I'm taking the breakfast sandwich picture, which you can see looking at from this angle gives you different impression. And then I think you want from this angle, you don't even see what's inside. But if you take a picture from this side, you can clearly see what's in the sandwich. Don't you think this is more attractive and it looks delicious? So now I'm taking this picture of these sweet looking fruit, which I think good with the coffee. So instead of taking this picture on this wood table, I came to here to picture this with the coffee leaf, and then this has plant on the table, which adds a little more color to this brown food. So it is also important to set the scene, photo scene, not just the food, but around the like the piece, what's captured in the picture. Okay. Sandwich in here. Okay, so I'm done with all the individual pictures. So now what I'm doing is flat lay picture method. So what flat lay is, you put all the items on the flat surface and take a picture from the top. So it looks like everything's on the table, and then looks all the, you can look at all the pictures together from the top. I usually at home studio. Here's what it looks like. Okay. Usually flat lay, I prefer to use the tripod, so I can see what's in here on my phone screen, and then hit the shutter button. And that way, the camera doesn't move, stay here, and then I can control from the phone or remote. But at location like this, on-site shooting, I don't have that capability, so I just do this and just hold still as much as I can.